am I in luck. I think about my life and place.
What'd you make?
Sundays. Look at them, Kyle.
Okay, tell me what they are. Explain them to me.
Here we have some cherries with some caramel topping and some banana,
You're such a teaser.
a red tomato, some gravy, potato, hot dog, cheese, and a bun.
But look, it looks just like a Sunday, doesn't it, Kelly Bum?
It does.
I'll get my outside.
Show me your Sunday face. Show me your Sunday face. Randy, what did you make us?
Some nice healthy poo.
Randy made some cat poos for supper. You see that?
That's unnatural, guys.
What are you guys doing? Making sombrero hats. What are you doing, Jamie?
Making sombrero hats.
Show me one. Ooh, how cute. Sombrero hat. Okay, explain to me how you do it.
Okay, so you just make like swirlies around the edges like this.
Okay.
79
Like
out
this.
Swirlies like that. Looking good.
Then you make a dot in the middle.
Dot in the middle.
Then
Hey, who's the old word
then you take this and you sprinkle
The old one.
the red stuff, the red icing.
Okay.
And then you take
Always used to ask us to say prayers.
gumdrop,
Gumdrop.
you put it right
He
there.
talks to me today
How
and all this stuff.
cute! And there's your sombrero.
Voila.
Sombrero hat. Fun.
Like,
Yeah,
career
the cake.
situation. Like,
It's
my
cracking.
own family doesn't even know half this stuff.
Surprise inside.
My aunts and uncles, but he's like right on top of it. He's a nice guy.
Quack.
Certified. Oh, because his wife's a school teacher. That's how he knows.
And there's Kyle, our resident Mexican.
Hola, hola, mi amigos. ¿Cómo está?
His grandma's.
Tell us things.
First of all, I baked. I whipped up a cake mix and put half of the cake mix in one
Wait,
bowl.
what did you do to it?
I whipped it up.
Okay,
Mixed it up.
so I want to make sure.
Half of the cake mix
Can
in
I
one
ask
bowl.
you? Can I ask you one more question? Why are you speaking into the knife like a microphone?
Because I want to.
Okay, just
Why not?
continue. I'm sorry. I'm done. I'm done with
Half
questions.
of the cake mix in one bowl.
Okay.
And the other half in the other bowl. Okay. And then you put them on top of each other.
Okay.
So wait. So what you're telling me is this is a composition of two cakes?
Composition of two.
Is that how you
cakes.
made it to be an orb?
Yes.
It's spherical.
Okay, here we go. Let's cut into this thing.
Boom.
Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh.
Who
Is there
wants-
candy?
Maybe.
Candy!
Let's see. Who wants the first one?
Here, these are dessert plates.
Okay.
Kelly, hurry, get your plate ready.
Get your plate ready.
Do it again.
Is that the face?
Do it again. Do it again.
No, you do it again.
again.
You do it again. Hey, look, it's sombrero. Hey, look, it's Cinco de Mayo, fiesta. Es una fiesta. A Cinco de Mayo, ya. Por Cinco de Mayo tenemos uvas aquí, y mangos, y horchata, y enchiladas, y arroz, y maíz. Son galletas, queso, tomato, lechuga, y carne. This is how much my wife loves me, okay? Look at Jamie's cake. Look at Kelly's cake. Look at Teresa's cake. And look at my cake. This is who I have. This is my wife.
You also need to
Look
add-
at her.
Look at the cake right now. Who was punching my arm when I was
I didn't
cutting
punch your arm. I didn't punch
Who
anything.
was wiggling my arm while I was
I didn't
cutting
wiggle
pieces?
nothing.
It was you.
I didn't
You
wiggle
did the messy
nothing.
piece
You can't
because
prove
you
it.
Messing it up.
You can't prove it. Where's the video evidence?
Uh-oh, Dad's is really messed up.
Oh, great. How can you treat your father like that?
Ah, there goes Sprinkles.
I want that piece.
Okay.
No, I don't want that. Get that away from me. How come your cake just kind of
better.
it went?
Just dig it, everybody.
And that's my piece. Thanks for coming, folks. Anyway, it's been fun having you. And we'll sign off now. Have a good one.
Feliz Cinco